beautiful people. We have landed and we are at our final stop, which is our hotel room, where we'll be spending a week in Lanzarote, Spain, the Canary Islands. But we're here and so far the room is lovely. It's okay. I mean, I hate the fact that there's 2 single beds. But hey, I love the mirrors. The mirrors! So yeah, come with me as I take you along to my 1 week stay. Our 1 week stay. Say hi, baby.
Bye.
Oh my God, don't be so mean to them. We love you. See you soon. We're going to eat.
When I wake up in the morning, I roll up and count my money. I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy.
Jason got what did you get? A basketball. So we're going to play a one-on-one game. Am I
No, not really.
We're playing one-on-one.
Not really.
We are.
We will just shoot around because obviously.
I think he's scared that I actually whoop his ass.
If I do that, you cannot reach the ball.
Of course I can.
Reach it.
Like,
Reach it.
see?
Reach it.
I can. Anyways, so we're gonna play a one-on-one game. I told him, let me get my right shoes, because I got slippers and
You don't have any shoes.
a skirt. Yeah, I do have some. What do you call them? All-Stars Vans. I do have some Vans. But he's too scared for me to get my proper shoes because I will beat him. The problem right now is that this court is wet. And this boy took the longest route. We came down here. He just needed to do this. He decided to do this. Smarty.
All you gotta do is move your hips now. Ready about the cheese like you laugh. If the music too low, turn it up loud. Can you do it on my pole like I ain't mad? You better move it till you sweat then fast. Bounce that ass to the beat.
Hello, beautiful people. Today is day 2. It is lovely. This morning, it's about 12:30. We met with the rep this morning. We saw the different excursions that we can do, and we've kind of decided what we want to do. 3 of them, I think. But today we won't really be doing an excursion. We'll just take out. We're gonna hire out some bikes and we'll go down to the town, have a look at the island, explore the island a little bit. We'll see how long we want to ride for. But that's just that. It's quite warm and nice. So hopefully I don't get too hot riding, but I will try. I'm not that good at riding bikes, but I'll try it because Jason wants to do it. He's quite fit and stuff, and he thinks I'm fit, but I ain't. Anyways, this morning I put my face on, so actually look a bit more decent for you guys. Hope you like it. But yeah, so we will take you along and hopefully you enjoy day 2. Bad news. The bike shop is closed, and that's Jason's fault because he went to the shop, find out the prices, but didn't try and find out if they're closing or not. So we're gonna have to walk to town. We'll take you with us still. Babes, wait on me now. You never wait on me. God. So tell them that you didn't remember to check the time.
You don't expect them to feel free.
Well, no, you don't, but they do. Let's take a bus. Seriously, no, the bus comes after. Anyways, we're gonna walk to town. We'll show you town. And sorry, yesterday we said we were walking to town and not taking it. I didn't get much footage. We did walk to town, did go in, but it was. They gave us somewhere else to go that was quite okay. So we're gonna go there later this afternoon. But today, guess what we've got? Bikes. We've got bikes. So we're gonna get the GoPro set up. As Babe's doing now. Babe, say hi.
Hi.
So we're gonna get the GoPro set up and we're gonna get some footage. We're gonna ride by the sea and wherever else, I don't know. But that will be that, and then later on I'll put my face on because you can tell I'm not that great. And then we'll go to the real town, a better town, according to them. So see you in a bit. It's windy, so I don't know if they hear. Probably a bit low. But we're going into town. We're gonna catch a bus over that side. And yeah, we'll see. Hopefully, town has a lot of good things in it. So today is day 4. It is a very sunny and lovely day. Today, though, we are going to go to a water park, and hopefully that should be fun. I'll take you along. We'll have the GoPro. Baby's on the bed, waiting on me. Say hi. That's Babe, ready to go. So, let's go. still lovely. I'm inside the room, but I think you can see. Sun is out. We're going to head to the beach. We're going on a boat ride, and then we'll be doing some kayaking, some banana boat ride. I can't remember everything, but I'll see you there. Beautiful people. Today is day 6, and once again, it is a lovely day. Today I'm a bit annoyed at Jacob because he just keeps following me and farting, and it stinks. God. But anyways, yes. So today is day 6. Our last day to actually do something. We fly tomorrow evening. So our last full day. And we are going to go kart. We are going to go kart. We are going to go karting. Hopefully that should be fun. But yes, that's the plan today. So we are going to go karting. And I'm going to whoop Jason's behind. Because I'm that good. See you then.
bad. No, you're bad. No.
The rules specifically state, yes, you are very defensive. Every time I try to come around you, you went in my lane. You make me speak.
No matter what, how you do it, she beat you. Yeah,
She went in my lane every time.
Oh, hello. The day has come to say goodbye. The last final few hours. Not few. A lot more than few. But in Spain. We are getting ready to leave. It is 25 minutes past 11 and we've got to check out at 12. So we're getting ready. I'm nearly ready. He isn't. I didn't show you. But yeah. Time to say goodbye to all of this. It has been lovely. It has been amazing. But unfortunately, we've got to leave and go home where real life awaits. It was nice taking you along. I hope you enjoyed it.